You are not doing your laundry properly if you are not using a laundry cleanser. And laundry cleansers are essential because they ultimately remove bacteria and viruses. And as you know, bacteria causes odor in your clothes. And in order to remove that odor properly, bacteria removal features do not come as standard in your typical laundry detergent, okay? So that is exactly why you need one of these. And I'm not making this video to push a particular product, but just to give you a general idea on this topic and what are the best products you can use if you especially want your clothes to be smelling heavenly great, okay? So one of my most favorite brand to go to if you don't want to especially overpay for your laundry cleanser and get a great smell, good quality instead, okay? That's the aim. We got the fabulous laundry cleanser, this exotic one, and it reminds me, if you remember the Lenore Exotic Bloom, the pink one, it smells exactly like that. So this is a perfect one. Then we got another one that smells of raspberries, and bear in mind, all of these laundry cleansers, they do not just remove bacteria, but also viruses. So if you are someone working in a medical profession, these are the things you need to be using. And if this bottle, it won't ruin your monthly budget, I guess. It costs around £2. And if you have a Lidl Plus card, you can buy this one for around £1.59 at the moment as of July 2025. So let's compare all of these. So far, I've been most happy with this brand in terms of results, in terms of the smell, in terms of the intensity. However, this little one is also very useful. I can't complain. But I feel like overall, if you want to enhance the smell of your laundry, not just remove bacteria, but get a better smell on your clothes, I would suggest using Fabulosa over this one. And as you can see, I'm quite a loyal Fabulosa customer. You can see how many of these I like to buy basically, because they come in so many different smells and flavors, and they change the flavors all the time. So my most favorite so far out of laundry cleanser is probably this one, but the most prominent flavor is this Winter Angel one, because it smells, if you like something sweet, something bubblegummy, that's what it smells like. This one is again more kind of like exotic type of smelling like fabric conditioner, although it's a laundry cleanser, but it reminds me of those exotic smelling laundry conditioners. And this one obviously smells of beautiful raspberries, but not just of some like cheap raspberries. It's called Bramble Harvest, so think of a beautifully baked raspberry crumble cake enhanced with sugary smells. This is what it reminds me of, so you can never go wrong. And you can see different product packagings in here, right? So at some point, this is what they used to look like all the time, but at some point they experimented with this product packaging. So even if you are looking for the laundry cleanser, is the same product. This one is no different. It still says laundry cleanser. And you can see this, the Winter Angel, the newer packaging, and this is the older one. So maybe they have swapped the packagings ever since, because I can still see this packaging selling in stores like Home Bargain. Okay, it's around £2. Sometimes you can get it £1.50 when it's on offer. And then again, depending how dirty your laundry is, I normally like to add between 4 to 6 of these. And this entire thing, again, depending how often I'm doing my laundry, sometimes I do it 3 times a week at least, this thing would last you a month or half a month if you prefer using more of these. Laundry should be your essential routine, because ultimately, especially you might be someone who's living with pets. Maybe you don't like the smell, maybe you like to do all your laundry at once and just, it gets rid of all those unpleasant smells from socks, from your underwear and everything. So I just feel like if you want to get your laundry smelling right, it is not enough to use a laundry detergent. It is not enough to use a laundry detergent with fabric conditioner. You need to add a laundry cleanser, because ultimately fabric conditioners, They do not smell as much as they used to. Even the concentrated ones, that's for another video, to be honest. So let me down in the comments below, what are your experiences with using a laundry cleanser in your laundry? Does it make any difference? Are you happy just using the scent booster bottles, the gels? So let me know in the comments below, what is your laundry routine? I'm known for having probably the most excellent laundry routine in the family. Think of, I'm using color catchers. I like to separate my laundry properly. I do colors, I do light colors, I do darks, I do white separately. So I think it is really important if you want to preserve your clothes in the long run, and adding a laundry cleanser to your laundry routine will make your clothes not just more hygienic but also smelling better. And especially you might be living in a rental property where the washing machine's been used by 100,000 many other people before you, and you just want to make sure that your clothes get washed in a clean environment, and that is why exactly laundry cleanser is a way to go for you. And obviously I will keep the space below this video updated so you can get the best deals on these products. And especially, they seem to be discontinuing these from the bargain stores. That's been the trend for the past, I would say, 2 years. So I will include links below where you can get them on Amazon for a really good price. Normally you will have to buy more of them, but you are still getting a decent deal. Pretty much you are paying £2 per bottle. So I will include all the links below where you can get them for the best price possible. So please, if you want to buy any of these products, click on the link below and you'll be able to do so directly from Amazon. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. This is one of them, quick product reviews I like to do because my brand is pushing a decent high quality living standard, and I want to promote this in the best way possible. So please let me know in the comments below, what is your laundry routine? How do you like to approach your laundry? Share some secrets, and I will share more of my secrets. So I will see you in my next one. See you, bye bye.